Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's daily challenge question we have question from trigonometry. So show that 4 sine power 4 theta equals to this. So I will start with the left hand side. So left hand side we have 4 sine power 4 theta, right? So we can rewrite this as 2 sine square theta and then outside power there is a square, right? So now we are going to use double angle formula here. This formula is given in your formula sheet that is provided in your exam. So it is like this: 1 minus 2 sine square a. So we can use the required form whatever we require. We need sine square theta here, as you can see, 2 sine square theta basically. So I'll bring this on this side. 2 sine square a equals to 1 minus cos 2a. So we can use this one here. So we will replace this by the formula cos 2 theta, and then we have square outside. So now we can expand. When you expand a square minus 2ab, it will be 2 cos 2 theta plus b square cos square 2 theta, right? So now again this we have 1 minus 2 cos 2 theta. Now again we can use double angle formula here. So for the double angle, the same formula we have, the other form is equals to cos 2a. We also have this is also there in your formula sheet, 2 cos square a minus 1, right? Then we are looking for now cos square theta here. So cos square theta we have here, so this will be cos 2a plus 1 equals to cos square a. Also we can put this 2, we can bring on other side. So then this is cos square. So if we do have here cos 2 theta and here is cos a, so if we want 2a, so we can double the angle this side. This will become cos 4a plus 1 over 2. We will use this formula here. So I will write it down, 1 plus cos 4a over 2, right? So now we can simplify. This is 1 minus 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 over 2. Then we have cos 4, sorry, this we will write down theta, cos 4 theta 1 over 2 plus cos 4 theta over 2. So once you combine this and this is 3 over 2. As you keep on looking on the right hand side, if you hear in the question 3 over 2, then we have minus 2 cos 2 theta and plus cos 4 theta over 2, right? So this is equal to right hand side. So hence we have shown whatever was required, right? Now let's move to the next part here. The second part we do have here, hence calculate. When it's written hence, that means you are using the first part. So we have here 0 to pi over 2 4 sine 4 theta sine power 4 theta d theta. So we will use the part from the first part, the expansion that we got here. It is 0 to pi by 2. I will just write everything again, and this is 4 sine 4 theta. We have this expansion, we proved this equal to this one, so I'm just taking the whole thing as it is. 3 over 2 minus cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta over 2, then d theta. So now we will integrate. So this is going to be 3 over 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. It's sorry, there was 2 here, 2 integration of this is sine 2 theta and over we will have 2, and then plus cos 4 theta integration is sine 4 theta over we will have 4 here, right? Then we have the limits, upper limit and lower limit. We have 0 to pi by 2, right? So now we are going to substitute this limit. So this is 3 over 2 into pi by 2. First the upper limit, then this 2 and 2 is gone, so we have sine 2 into pi over 2, then plus half, this will become actually 8, 4 times 2 8, sine 4 theta, sine times 4, this is pi by 2, right? This is the upper limit. We have substituted minus, we will have theta, this is 0 minus 0 plus 0, because sine sine 0 is a 0 if you put theta 0 here. So this gives us like 3 pi by 4. This is your final answer, because this is also 0, this is sine pi, and this is sine 2 pi is also 0. So final answer is 3 pi by 4.